guy in my bathroom and I'm gonna wash my face. I'm gonna be using an active natural soap, which I always use every day. It's also a brightening daily scrub. And I also use something to moisturize my face as well. And what I use, guys, is this Aveeno. I use this Positively Radiant Aveeno that has strong scent, and it is a daily scrub that has a moisture rich soy extract as well. So it is more on the herbal side. So after washing it, oh my god, it's so good, guys. It feels so much refreshed. Now we're ready, guys, to do our sloughing and scrubbing of my lips. See you there. We're back here to my little space here. So we've done washing our face. Don't forget, you have to put a lip balm, and this will extra moisturize. And I use O'Keefe, and I find it helpful to hydrate my lips, and it prevents it from cracking. And this is the O'Keefe. I bought this in Price Chopper, and I usually keep my skin hydrated overnight, and that's so that in the morning when I go to work, my lips are all soft and fresh and moisturized. I'm gonna apply it, guys. So I just use my ring finger to put it on. And of course, we just washed our hands and make sure it dried a little bit. Tastes like vanilla. I recommend this to you guys, and this is a nice brand, and I find this very helpful if you have chapped lips and if you have cracked lips. So you can buy this at a cheap price, but really good. I recommend it. Now, what we're gonna do is to keep our lip balm for another 2 to 5 minutes. So after a couple of minutes, we're ready to remove the lip balm. So we're gonna be using the solution that we prepared before. Remember, guys, that we use the coconut oil, and sugar plus honey. And I'm using CVS toothbrush. What I'm gonna do, guys, is to just gently scrub it. Get a good amount of that. There. So it's sticky. Might just put it here a little bit. There. Oops. Falling. This is what a little bit messy, guys, so you have to be careful if you're wearing something that is really nice. That's why I like to do this at night, because you know, I can just wear my pajamas or your house clothes, and then in the morning that you don't have to do this anymore, because sometimes it's messy. So I usually start from the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna scrub a little bit higher above my lip line. If you can see, guys, I'm only doing one stroke, and then from the other side, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna dab it again. Do here in the lower lip. It's a little bit sweet, guys, because of course the sugar and the honey. Then I brush it down. Just follow the lines of your lips. That's it, guys. Keep it for around 5 minutes, and you don't really have to do this every night. I usually do this every 2 to 3 days, because if you're gonna be doing it every day, guys, you're gonna have an abrasion in your lips. We're gonna wait for another 5 minutes and see how the texture of our lips after this scrubbing. I'll see you in a bit. after 5 minutes, so after scrubbing, we're gonna remove it. So I'm gonna remove it with cotton. And you would feel after removing it how soft it is. And there you go. Now what I'm gonna do is to apply a little lip repair. Just a small dab on it with your finger, just to keep it moisturized until we're ready to put on our lipstick. This is our first part, and I'll see you guys on the next part for the lipstick application and the lip liner application.